Y'all, look at this. You see these waves? This is like some glam hair. Look at these curls. Look at that body, honey. Yes, girl, body. Body.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Lose some sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the gorgeous unit that's on my head is going to be the one that I'm reviewing for you. This is another one from the new Outre collection. Of course, it's HD lace. I'm wearing this one in the style Arlena and the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to lay like this, honey, just stay tuned for this video.
World on my shoulders, the weight on my back. Overexposure ahead of the pack. No looking back when I attack.
Wrap them in plastic and burn up the bag.
Put them in caskets, a fast say the fact. Isn't it tragic, erratic, and sad?
Feels so damn good to be bad in the past, living fast at the dash when my life flashed backwards in front of me. Just running me down in the sound of the glass in my lap on the ground where I found every map to my past and the path to my greatness, embracing my craft.
I've been living on borrowed time, borrowed life. Tomorrow's high, today's lows, I've been letting them go. And they know that I'm setting my stage. Show me love, negate the hate. I grow above, they can't relate. I've been living on borrowed time, borrowed life. Tomorrow's high. I'm getting older, refining my craft. Been getting bolder, defining my past. I'm living fast, hope that it lasts. Stacking my funds while I'm chasing the cash. Back to the money, I'm back to the bag. Ain't checking prices when popping a tag. And I ain't going outside, no way. Take a step at what I have and you'll be lying in the grave. You're a slave to the money, ain't it funny?
Okay guys, so the cap construction with this unit, you do get your typical 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This is, like I said, from the new Outre HD lace collection, so it is HD lace. The front of it does come pre-plucked as well as with baby hairs, and this is just your singular parting going straight down the middle. As far as cap size is concerned, it definitely does feel small and medium head friendly, but I think it's like on the cusp as far as big head friendliness. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and I'm also not wearing this one with my wig grip band, and it's fitting my head pretty nicely. So for the texture of this unit, it is definitely gonna be more along the lines of Silky. So I would consider this a special occasion unit because I could definitely see if you wore this every day, not necessarily getting the full life wear out of it, just because it definitely is giving me silky vibes, so it doesn't make me feel like it'll last super long. Also do note that I did get some tingling and shedding with this unit. So the length on it is coming just to my boobs, and I am 5'3" for reference. The density on this unit is definitely more on the fuller side. Right now I have all the hair brushed to the front, and it is looking pretty full, especially the more that you comb out these curls, it gets like fuller and fuller. If I had to guess the density, I definitely would say it's at least about 150%. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this is looking like all around. So let's just get into the cons and pros of this unit. I honestly only have 2 cons with this, and those are going to be, number 1 is the texture. Even though it does feel nice and it's soft and silky and pretty, I definitely am always more of a yaki girl just because I feel like that texture does last longer. And just like I said, I feel like because of the texture of this, I can't see it really lasting super long. So that's why I would consider it a special occasion unit. I mean, you could try to make it work for every day, but I don't think you will get a very long life term out of that, so definitely just keep that in mind. And my other con for this is going to be the fact that the lace doesn't go completely down ear to ear, which I wish it did. It does give you a good amount of coverage, which you can see. I feel like that coverage it's actually pretty good, but it feels a little bit small, like it's lifting. Maybe if I glued it down, it wouldn't necessarily be doing all that lifting on me, but I feel like if it was just a little more lace, if it was just a little bigger, I'd be able to get away with that more. But I feel like that's not a super big issue, especially because with just the style of this hair itself, it's not like you're necessarily going to be showing the whole crown if you do baby hairs. Even if you don't do baby hairs, it seems like the hair will just fall like this anyway, so the most important ones, if you were to do baby hair, would probably most likely just be in this the front area that's showing. So the pros on this unit are, I really like the HD lace. I feel like it did a really good job at taking my powder. I do like the whole look of it. I feel like these waves are very pretty. I think the density is wonderful. As you can probably note, y'all, as I'm running my fingers through it, like the snags, it's snagging. I like the fact that the baby hairs were already thinned out, so I didn't really feel the need to go in, pluck them, and do all the extra work that you tend to have to do with a lot of these other units, so that was pretty good. But other than that, I really don't have much to say about this unit. I think it's really cute, and I wouldn't mind using it as a special occasion unit, like when you want that glammed up, hey there look with minimal amount of work. I definitely would suggest this. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.